guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is ibilolademodi. If you're new here, you are very welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I season my meat. This is such a simple method, and if you're interested, please keep watching. So for my meat, guys, I'll be using shaki, also known as tripe. I'll be using goat meat. I'd also be using some kwama. Another name for kwama is kanda or cowhide. So I'll be using this as well. And last but not the least, guys, I'll be using some chicken. This is just some fowl chicken. It's the harder chicken. Yeah, and that's what I love to use. So in a pot, you want to add your washed goat meat, your chicken, add some onions, some salt, some ginger, onion powder, chicken powder, some curry, thyme leaves, adobe, pepper, oregano, water. Guys, I'm going to leave everything in the description box below because these are some of the ingredients that I use to marinate or season my chicken. Feel free to use, whatever you like, but these are just like my go-to seasonings that I always use, and it gets my chicken tasting very delicious. I'm also going to add the washed tripe. And I'm going to add some water and cook this for about 30 minutes. Guys, ignore me, not 30 minutes, 20 minutes. 20 minutes is fine, especially because I ended up using this boiled chicken for stew. So yeah guys, cook this till it's soft. This was so delicious. It was so easy. This is very easy, guys, and it gets your meat tasting extremely delicious. Don't just use your curry, thyme and salt. Spice up your meat, spice up the life. Also you can marinate this. This can serve as a marinade if you like mix it all together and leave it in the fridge if you want it to be much more flavorful. But guys, regardless, your meat will still be very flavorful. Feel free to keep your stock. This is like real stock, not like the ones that you buy in the supermarket and you mix with water. Guys, this is very delicious. You can use this for your jollof rice, for your stew, for your soups, for whatever meal you like, and it would give your food amazing flavor. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah guys, that's my how to season my meats. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye bye.